Most drivers don't know it, but one tiny sensor hidden behind your steering wheel can decide whether your car stays stable or suddenly loses control. It's called the steering wheel angle sensor, and when it goes bad, it can throw off alignment, disable safety systems, and even put your car into emergency mode. Studies show alignment issues cause nearly 9% of crashes, and this sensor is often the culprit. In this video, I'll show you the 9 warning signs of a failing steering wheel angle sensor, and the simple fixes that can keep you safe on the road. 1. Squealing tires during turns. If you hear your tires squealing while making normal turns, it could be an early sign of a bad steering wheel angle sensor. This sensor tells your car's systems how far the steering wheel is turned. When it fails, the wheels may not align properly with the direction you're steering. That mismatch creates extra friction, which makes your tires squeal against the road. Many drivers mistake this for worn tires or suspension issues, but the real problem could be the sensor feeding wrong data to the car's stability and traction systems. Over time, this doesn't just wear down your tires faster, it also makes cornering unpredictable. If you're hearing squealing during everyday turns, don't brush it off. It may be your steering angle sensor starting to fail. 2. Excessive play in the steering wheel. A second common symptom of a bad steering wheel angle sensor is excessive play or looseness in the steering wheel. Normally, your wheel should feel responsive, with the car reacting directly to even small adjustments. But when the angle sensor is failing, it stops sending accurate steering data to your vehicle's computer. As a result, your steering can feel vague or disconnected, almost like the wheel has a dead zone before the tires respond. This makes driving less precise and increases risk in situations where quick, accurate steering is critical, like changing lanes at high speed or avoiding obstacles. Drivers often describe it as floaty steering that doesn't inspire confidence. If your wheel feels less sharp and more unpredictable, don't overlook the possibility that your steering wheel angle sensor may be at fault. 3rd, misalignment while driving. Another red flag for a bad steering wheel angle sensor is vehicle misalignment. This happens because the sensor provides incorrect information about the wheel's position, which throws off the car's ability to stay properly aligned. As a driver, you may notice your vehicle drifting to one side even on a straight road, or you might see uneven tire wear developing faster than usual. Misalignment not only makes your car harder to control, but also reduces fuel efficiency and accelerates wear on suspension parts. Many people spend money on multiple alignment jobs, not realizing that the root problem could be the steering angle sensor itself. If your car consistently pulls to one side despite alignments or new tires, that's a strong hint the sensor may be failing and needs attention. 4. Inconsistent lane keeping assistance. Modern cars rely heavily on the steering wheel angle sensor for driver assist systems like lane keeping. When this sensor starts to fail, you'll notice your lane keeping assistance becoming unreliable. For example, sometimes the system may gently nudge the wheel to keep you centered, but other times it might not correct your path at all. This inconsistency can be frustrating, but more importantly, it reduces safety by giving you a false sense of security. The problem comes from the sensor sending inaccurate steering position data, which confuses the system. If you've noticed your lane keeping feature working only part of the time or responding oddly, the steering wheel angle sensor could be to blame. Don't assume it's just a glitch in the tech. Often, it's the failing sensor disrupting the entire system. 5. Car pulling to one side. If your car frequently pulls to one side while driving, it could point to a faulty steering wheel angle sensor. This happens because the sensor is responsible for synchronizing steering inputs with the car's actual wheel position. When it malfunctions, the vehicle may steer unevenly, causing it to drift left or right. This can be dangerous on highways where you need straight-line stability. Many drivers think this issue is due to tire pressure differences or suspension wear, but if those check out fine, the steering angle sensor is often the hidden cause. The constant pulling also increases driver fatigue since you're forced to correct the steering more often. If your car seems to have a mind of its own, drifting off course even on level roads, it's a strong sign the angle sensor is failing. 6. Traction control. Light activating. Another symptom to watch for is your traction control light turning on more often than it should. The traction control system depends on accurate steering angle data to know how the car is moving in relation to the wheels. A failing sensor may trick the system into thinking the car is losing traction, even when road conditions are normal. As a result, the warning light may keep flashing or stay on, and the system may even cut engine power unnecessarily. This not only makes driving frustrating, but also affects safety, especially on slippery roads where you need traction control working properly. If your traction control light seems to have a mind of its own, don't ignore it. A bad steering angle sensor could be the real reason, not just poor road grip. 7. Steering warning light on dashboard. If the steering warning light appears on your dashboard, it's a direct sign that your car's computer is receiving incorrect or no data from the steering wheel angle sensor. This warning should never be ignored, as it often means your steering-related safety features are compromised. In many cases, the light will come on intermittently at first, leading drivers to think it's just a glitch. But as the sensor continues to fail, the warning will appear more often, and your car's handling may start to feel off. Since this sensor plays a role in both stability control and assisted steering features, a warning light could signal broader issues than just steering. If this light comes on, get your vehicle scanned with a diagnostic tool. Chances are it'll point straight to the angle sensor as the problem. 8. Electronic stability control disabled. Electronic stability control, or ESC, is one of the most important safety systems in modern vehicles, and it relies heavily on data from the steering wheel angle sensor. When the sensor fails, ESC often shuts down completely because it can't operate with bad data. You'll usually see a warning light on the dash that says ESC is off or disabled. Without ESC, your car is more likely to lose stability during sharp turns, sudden swerves, or slippery conditions. Some drivers notice their car feels less planted or secure when this happens. The scary part is that many people don't realize how much ESC protects them until it's gone. If your ESC is suddenly disabled, don't assume it's just a sensor glitch. Check the steering wheel angle sensor first, because it's often the culprit behind the failure. 9. Car switching to emergency mode. The most severe symptom of a failing steering wheel angle sensor is when your car goes into emergency or limp mode. In this mode, the vehicle intentionally limits its performance to prevent further damage or unsafe operation. This can mean reduced power, disabled safety systems, and in some cases, restricted steering functionality. Cars are designed to enter this mode only when a serious issue is detected, and a faulty steering wheel angle sensor can trigger it because of the critical data it provides to stability and traction systems. Driving in limp mode isn't just inconvenient, it's unsafe, especially if it happens unexpectedly in traffic. If your car enters emergency mode and diagnostics show a steering sensor fault, the sensor should be replaced immediately before the problem worsens. And that's it. Those are the 9 bad steering wheel angle sensor symptoms you should never ignore. Catching them early can save you from expensive repairs and keep your car safe on the road. One of the most serious warning signs of a failing steering wheel angle sensor is when your car suddenly switches into emergency mode, also known as limp mode. This is a protective function built into modern vehicles to prevent further damage to key systems and to keep you safe when something critical goes wrong. When limp mode activates, the vehicle's computer, known as the ECU engine control unit, detects inaccurate or dangerous sensor data and limits performance to avoid loss of control or mechanical failure. If the steering wheel angle sensor starts sending incorrect or inconsistent readings, the car's safety systems like traction control, electronic stability control, ESC, and advanced driver assistance may become confused about how the vehicle is steering. Since the ECU depends on this data to maintain stability, any major discrepancy can trigger a safety shutdown. When that happens, the car enters limp mode to minimize risk. In limp mode, you might notice several changes right away. The engine power is reduced, acceleration feels sluggish, and the transmission may refuse to shift into higher gears. Some safety features, like traction control or ESC, can be disabled entirely, leaving the car less stable on corners or slippery surfaces. In certain vehicles, steering assist may also become limited, making the steering wheel feel heavier than usual. Warning lights, such as the check engine or steering icons, usually appear on the dashboard at the same time. When you experience this, it's critical not to ignore it or continue driving long distances. Limp mode means the vehicle's computer has detected a potentially dangerous issue that could affect control or safety. The best action is to pull over safely, turn off the engine, and restart the car after a few minutes. Sometimes the system resets temporarily, but if limp mode returns, it's a clear sign that professional diagnosis is needed. A diagnostic scan will likely reveal a fault code related to the steering wheel angle sensor or the stability control system. If the sensor is confirmed to be faulty, it should be replaced immediately. Ignoring the issue could lead to sudden loss of steering assistance or complete system failure while driving. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I post new tips every week to help you avoid breakdowns and drive smarter. And don't stop here. Click on one of the videos on your screen now to learn more about common car problems and how to fix them before they get worse. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.